Hey, it's Jacob with Great Lakes Coffee. This year, alongside our Yule Brew, we're going to be featuring another special coffee for the holidays. We're calling that Café de Noël. This is an Ethiopian honey processed coffee. Let's get started on how to brew. So we're going to be using the AeroPress today. The AeroPress is a great way to get a brew for one. We're always going to start by rinsing our filter. I've already pre-warmed our cup. I have pre-warmed our carafe, so we don't get any temperature loss as we go ahead. You're going to want to grind your coffee just a bit finer than you would for pour over, maybe one click on your grinder. So this is 18 grams of coffee. We're going to put that straight into the AeroPress. You're going to want to put your AeroPress inverted right at about the 4 mark. So with our coffee in the AeroPress, make sure you tear it out. We're going to start our timer and we're going to pour 50 grams of coffee. This is going to be our blue. We want to pour in about, 5 to 6 seconds. Just getting up to 50, then we're going to wait till about 35 seconds. This coffee, being a honey processed coffee, is a little bit between a washed and a natural coffee. They remove the skin from the fruit and then they just leave the rest of the fruit on there. So the coffee really comes forward as a bright, fruity coffee. It's got a nice sparkling acidity. Ethiopian coffees, you don't often see a honey processed coffee, so we thought it'd be great to bring this one in here. We are at 35 seconds, so we are going to add 50 more grams of water, and then using your spoon in a northwest southeast direction, we're going to stir for about 10 seconds. Okay, once we stir, we can take our rinsed cap, we can put it on here. We'll wait about 10 seconds. In the meantime, we can dump out our warm water, place our carafe on the scale, tear that out, set it aside. At about 1 minute and 20 seconds, we can remove the excess air from our AeroPress. Give it a nice swirl. And then we're going to begin to press our coffee. We want to do this at about 30 seconds, nice and slowly. Don't need to rush it until all the coffee is extracted. So right now we're making a concentrate of the coffee and we're going to dilute it afterwards. This is going to give us a very nice mouthfeel. It's going to bring forward that sparkling acidity, the bright fruit flavors, and just be really yummy. It'll give a nice hiss at the end. We're going to see how much concentrate we got here. Should be around 75 grams. We're right on the dot. So from that 75, we're going to double it, go up to 150. We want to make sure that that dilution water that we're adding is off the boil, so it's been sitting for a minute. It's a little bit cooler. It's going to help bring that mouthfeel forward. So give it a nice swirl, make sure everything mixed together. Like I said, nice cup for one. That's a great way to brew our Café de Noël. Happy holidays.